Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that your December have been good so far. You see me I say? Best of wishes on the holidays them. You know what I mean? Yeah, so my people, first things first, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to look at this video and listen to some things that a person said in this video. And tell me if this video shows anything that had been done as some form of spiteful act. You see me I say? Yeah, the video is going to show motor vehicles. Two of them are police service vehicle from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? You can hear someone talk in the background of the video. So tell me what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers. Observe.
So they come and they understand about a park because apparently a park bad maybe for spite. So they say. So they take two police vehicles now and they block me from the back, jam up on my vehicle from the back, and jam up from the front, right? So that when they see I come, I must either go down on my knees and beg them for a pass. This is what big people let's be doing inside of the station here. It has so much of things people let's be busy, and this is what they're finding time to do. Watch it. Watch it. So this is to teach Joe feel a lesson, right? This is to teach me a lesson. This is what I started to be facing inside of the station here. Big people working inside of here. So watch it. They jam it from the back and they jam it from the front. Absolutely unnecessary.
Alright, my people, so tell me what you think about that video. Tell me if you see anything that had been done out of spite. You see me I say? Yeah, you can also tell me what you think about the things that the person said in the video as well too. Because based on some things that the person said in the video, I think that the person basically point out that something had been done out of spite. You see me I say? That is that just look away. You know what I mean? It just really look away this. I mean, look on the amount of space. You know, you can also see some little mark out lines on the ground and so forth. You know, but you tell me what you think, the people. All right, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between civilians and law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you shows when a law enforcer had been hit by an object that was thrown by someone. Allegedly, it is said that law enforcers, who you can see in the video, was involved in taking away goods from persons who are said to be vendors or people who were selling certain items and things on the street somewhere in the country of Jamaica. But on that day when the video be recorded, it is said that a confrontation between civilians and law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica developed. And at some point, someone threw an object that hit one of those law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. Now, I am not able to tell you if all of those persons who are said to be law enforcers are just police or municipal police. But I got the understanding that a number of them that you see in uniform in the video that I'm talking about are said to be law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. It is said that law enforcers at one point was trying to find out who threw the object, viewers and subscribers, but I did not get any confirmed information if anyone had been arrested or detained when it comes on to the whole situation. Now, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. Please bear in mind that the video do not have any audio, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Based on some things that you are about to see in this video, you can also let me know what you think, alright? And I want to also please bear in mind that this video shows when a law enforcer had been hit by an object that was thrown by someone. The video also shows when a law enforcer pushed someone. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, observe for yourself. Alright, so there's no audio in the video, viewers and subscribers. You know, there was a lot of yelling and shouting. The video clearly shows a confrontation between law enforcers and civilians. So if you look at the video carefully, you can see at least one object on the ground. That object was thrown, viewers and subscribers. Now, I am not sure if I mentioned that the video had been posted on social media, but just in case, yes, the video had been posted on social media. And after I looked at the video, I went in the comment section of where the video had been posted on social media. And I'm going to read words from comments that have been made on social media pertaining to this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? So listen up. Now, one of the comments them say, I know them now go play with nobody, Jaja. Another comment from someone said, Radam. Another comment from someone said, always a fast with PPL. Another comment said, DWL Radam. Another comment said, excellent. These are comments from persons who made these comments on social media and viewers and subscribers. Alright. So another comment said, absolutely disgusting. Sorry the police them never clad them with something. Rules are rules, and we as Jamaicans are too a certain type of word and the other word unruly. Another comment said Radam with a type of bad word and the word natty. Another comment start up basically with a bad word and grey beard SMH. So me I say grey beard, grey beard, grey beard, grey beard. Let me hear that before. Anyways, another comment said, well, basically that's a bad word. Me I left that alone. Another comment of emojis. Another comment said one more time again. But what, that person is not easy. Another comment have emojis. Another one emojis, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say. And another comment, basically bad word with emojis, as I say. Another comment said, this don't look good. Another comment said, WTH, the police officers won't use up their pepper spray and stop argue with DUTTYPPL as they start gather, spray them. Well, a type of bad word did so, and this wouldn't happen. Well, here are two replies to the comment let me just read to you. So one of the replies to that the comment they say is that everyone can afford to pay rent to a shop and them have families to take care of, so the government must go easy. And another comment basically as a reply to one of the comments them say, I hope you not get no pepper spray no day. A year life about pepper spray. PPL pay, well, a type of bad word, up do out there. But any day uno, well, a type of bad word, round boy like me, member. Well, me can't say everything, viewers and subscribers, you understand? See, it's something people that like to know what to think about a situation like that. Because when it comes down to law enforcers confiscating vendors' goods, you have some people who basically agree and some people who don't agree. But I'd like to know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Now, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any information about the law enforcer's health. And I'm talking about the law enforcer who had been hit by the object, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any information about his health because I was trying to get information to determine if the law enforcer got medical attention or what, you understand? I didn't get any information about the law enforcer's health. I also received voice notes about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and I got unconfirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. But I would rather you, my viewers and subscribers, to ask me in the comment section, as I will let you know what I know and tell you as I know those things. You understand? Now I'm going to give you any wrong information. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you and the things that I said. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.